get knocked down.
I guess he had already passed because I didn't see him. Come on, Diab, let's go.
Todd. Mark, man. Let's go.
Walk out. Go, kid. Go on with this song.
Please don't stomp. Please don't stomp. Yeah, everything's shut. Good thing he missed it. Fucking, it wasn't a highlight.
Come on, get in there, rebound. Whose sweater is that? Or is it Walk out. Get there, get there!
Is that what he did? Pause. I don't know either.
Come on, Edgar.
Pull up, pull up. To your feet.
There you go! Make it count, kid!
Why do you shoot like that? I don't know.
Pull up. That shit like fucking neck. Say your feet.
Giovanni's first time being leading scorer in the game.
He's a leader like that too. The board, Edgar.
Reach, move your feet. Bump down, bump down. There you go,
Good.
Jordan.
Just like Damien. It's just cuñado. And the aphid girl, aphid boys
Go,
wear
kid,
them
take
too.
care of it.
Look strong!
Go up strong.
Defense, let's go!
How are you?
Hands up!
Run him. Hey, go. One more. Hey, I'll be cool. Back.
It was when y'all played. That's what I'm saying.
Hands up, hands up.
Bang, bang.
Grab it.
Damn ball.
Grab it. There you go. There you go.
Go in. Grosso, Giovanni.
Put your money back in.
Kill the ball.
Smart passes.
Better pass. Not a smart pass.
Come on, Diab, 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 Diab.
He's wearing street shoes.
Come on, kid. Go, Tyson. Go up. Oh, come on. Take it down.
Ball.
Giovanni plays better than Nader. What's the team name? Attitude Net. Basically. I put it to coach in this. Drip.
Yeah, Marcus.
I don't know who that is. I know the stories, I just don't know the name, a face to the name. I don't know basketball like that. I feel bad for these kids.
Anyone that knows is 10. No.
He's the one that crossed Edgar, I think.
Offset. Offset.
Good move. It's dumb.
Hands up, Tom.
It's so dumb that he
Grab
did.
it.
Get up, get up, get up!
You're all right, you're all right.
one play.
And set on the corners and free throw lines. Both had posts on the both blocks. Offset. It's scooted over to one side. They get there.
I got the 3.9 and 3.9.
3-point line, high post, block, and then that's gonna get my bitches up. That's gonna get my hand.
That was his first game with the
Was it first?
He has a great sense.
one game, man.
So he didn't play nobody else from district? Well, he didn't play nobody else.
Measures canceled twice on us.
They gotta reschedule one, right? Huh? They gotta reschedule at least one.
Yeah, that's okay. I told Gabriel. Nobody knew what you meant.
They did. You see what
Kids
they
did.
did? They did.
Move your feet. Bring it down. Go wide.
That's 5.
There goes third.
Compared to mine, Devontae's all the time.
Hands up, hands up.
I would lean that nigga. Man, it was so fast, he'd burn everybody from there to there.
Put your hands up. There you go. How's the Sawyers?
No way you're a track and field coach. That's OG me right there.
There you go, there you go. Go back up.
We got good rebounders. Those two, us. Sawyer and Money.
Watch out. Point center.
Here's that.
Hands up, hands up.
Right? This gym was here, but that was
At the middle school.
Get him off.
This gym only was one-sided.
these things.
We only had stands over there.
There you go.
Hey guys, get down, get down.
Leave was running. Nah, you can't play. Leave was 2 rebounds. At least. You put the 2 bigs that ain't working. It was like an orange, like that one, like an original basketball, you know, like not like the new basketball, it's almost yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that one kind of pink too.
Or it is darker.
Like the Gatorade orange, I had Gatorade orange. game.
No, they don't understand. I just want Edgar to kill him. They were all young.
Yeah, they were all 6th graders. I'm watching it right here.
Should be in front of him.
They feed the high post all the time. Fucking number 4 over there just busted out.
Did he? Son of Screen him away.
Backside. Hands up! Give me that shit!
Here you go. Actually, a rebound at least.
Give me. No. Go up! Guard!
Block out! Block out! Hands up! Straight up. Let's go, Sawyer. Go, Kyson. Make it count.
He is a coach.
Huh? Yeah, something like that.
He should be out right now.
Oh yeah.
Move your feet.
That's Michael that day too. That's Michael that day too. Where's Rudy at? What the hell?
Get in front of him, you want to work for it. Get her out of there.
There you go, Micah. Stop, kid.
Look. Over here. Don't play them. Oh God.
He's a point guard.
Seal him, Giovanni, seal him, seal him. Got him, got him. Make him earn it.
What are we doing with that?
Made him in more.
Right there, right there.
That's not the trap yet, chill.
Pressure one. I figured she didn't hurt it. It's raining, man. This is weird to me.
Go!
Go!
Look! Oh!
Who's that big ass white boy?
Sophomore that moved here. Earth, right?
Move to it from there.
Who's that kid?
Come, Micah.
Oh, Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year.
It's already gonna be February. It's almost Valentine's Day.
It's right, 2026.
Cheers.
Just like Damien. He would always start spinning.
There you go, there you go, there you go.
See, that's the trap now. Don't let him split you. Hands up! Hands up! There you go. Stop dribbling! Stop dribbling! Block out!
Go, go. There you go. Good, Giovanni.
I agree with Charlie. What did he say? I agree with you on that.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah. For sure. Pretty easy.
There you go.
Dunk that shit! Go!
Ready,
Wait,
ready,
wait,
ready.
wait!
You're gonna have to go the other way.
He's an ass to go.
Maybe that. Are you gonna listen with? Good foul. Let him walk next time. I like that celebration. Which one? Look! Keep looking for the ball.
There you go, Sawyer.
There you go! Good job, Sawyer. That's your ball. Keep celebrating.
There, right there, right there, right there.
Let's go!
Lock out.
Did you see it? Like, yeah, I think I saw it. I think it's a gun. Very small. He walked too.
That's another one.
He should have raised him to block. Oh, he should raise him to block. They're moving.
Go.
I gotta be getting like he's the one that made it. He's a good teammate.
What'd you say?
Why is he after yelling like he's the one that made
Like
it?
nobody else here but him.
So I say he's a good teammate. Even though his teammate.
Are you getting my vest dirty?
He was a
Yeah.
good team.
It's gonna come up missing one of these days, and it's not gonna be at my house.
He missed
It's
the
gonna
free
be on my
throw
birthday.
You're good, Ioani. Don't look at the ref. Get back.
You just did. Oh, it's Kai said that.
We need,
Hands up,
we
let's
need
go!
to tell all the kids not to listen to food either. Good, leave it. Walk. Chill. You got a mismatch. Gotta come to the top. You walk!
One at it.
Giovanni, don't score at it.
Oh, what? Tyson again?
Algo?
Tyson did hook it.
Wasn't it Giovanni?
Everybody's all yelling at Giovanni who Tyson's on it caught it twice.
No, that one and that one.
Everybody else is Giovanni. Good foul.
Yeah.
Locks out, let's go!
Only because Coach Mario, or else we would never would have practiced free throws.
hit the gym too long. He should not be trying to call ISO.
I saw 24 or 15.
That's what I'm saying. Like, this guy's decent.
Kid.
Isolated.
Hombre.
Kid. Come on.
0 for 3.
Come on, kid.
What do you have a jumper name? You can't even jump.
That's what he took.
Go, Tyson.
Stay back, Giovanni. That. Do the 3-step drop and pass. Push.
What's that up?
Get your hands up. Hands up. You're right. You're right.
Nothing inside.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Top.
Hands up.
Block out.
You gotta block out.
Hey! Shut up and get back.
Get back on defense.
We don't need no face expressions.
Hands up, top! Hands out, hands out, hands out, hands out!
Get your hands up.
Hands
Hands
out!
up.
Come on, Junior.
Hey, y'all the 3 guards. We gotta do it over here.
Watching the ball. Go rebound.
My time to shine, Brucey.
Go, Dion.
Get your hands up. Top. Block out.
Oh, yeah, it belongs in the basket.
Post them up. Hold strong. Don't reach, don't reach.
No reach.
Hands up. Hands up. Stay down.
Go, go!
Get up! are you dribbling? Pass the back! Why are you jogging?
Watch it! Hey, let's go!
Hey, Jose, how about them Longhorns?
Throw it! Play defense, stop crying!
Come on, Dia.
Stay on him, stay on him.
Was it after a main bet?
Come on!
Come on, Aiden, go. There you go.
Quick!
Let's go.
Nigga just had to come to the lift.
Let's go, White.
Get out of the way!
There's a foul before that.
Come on, Dia, let's go. Hands up, let's go, defense. Hands up.
Hit.
Come on back here! Aiden!
Hit it. Stay on him.
Straight up. Straight up. Go. You're all right. Hey, put your hands up. Let's go, defense.
Back, back!
Lock out.
Box out, Edgar!
Lock out.
Hang on to him, Micah.
Come on, guys. Get it in.
You're good, you're good, you're good.